Okay, today I just received my bearing packing kit. Seen this on Amazon, it's $15. Normally in the past I just put grease on my palm and pack the grease into a bearing, but I figure I'd give this a try. Probably a lot cleaner. I never wear gloves either, so this should be way cleaner. Here's the instructions. It's a lot larger than I thought it was going to be. In the picture it looks smaller. I just stopped and got a can of grease. So this tool comes with a Zerk fitting on it to pump the grease into it, but for this first time I'm just going to scoop it in. Then after this I'll use a grease gun to fill it with grease. Okay, that should be enough grease. So this gets unscrewed. So this gets unscrewed, then the bearing will go in between here. And there's the Zerk fitting right there. Stick the grease gun right on there. I had this old bearing sitting around, so I figure we'll test it on this one first. Just screw it right back on. This is probably going to take a lot of pressure, so I'll try it on the table first. The table's kind of high. See if I can get enough pressure on it. You can hear the air coming through already. So I had to put it on the floor, push on it. It was like giving it CPR. You can see the grease came through the bearing. And my hand's still free of grease, which is good. So now you just unscrew it. You can pull the bearing right out. It comes with this cover for storing it, which I really like. Just put it on a shelf and it's always ready when you need it. Overall, I think this is a good purchase. Easy to use, something I always use, so I'm glad I bought it. I'm just waiting on parts for the Mustang build. Next up is putting the front brakes on. So hopefully my next video I'll show you the parts that I get supposed to come in today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks a lot. Look, no grease.